if your post-market surveillance system was not only 100% compliant with regulatory requirements, but also highly effective in helping you make the right business decisions. Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Agarwal, and I'm so excited to introduce you to this brand new workshop I have designed based on years of experience, not only just building a system from scratch, but also running it for many years for a medical device company. So I know what it takes to make a system operational. And I also know what kind of questions an auditor might ask you, and some of them could be quite difficult questions. With so many new requirements for post-market safety surveillance systems in EU-MDR, IVDR, ISO 14971, or even ISO 13485, I'm sure this topic is top of mind for you. So in this workshop, I want to focus on 5 key learning objectives. 1. We want to talk about the requirements and help you understand them clearly, what they are. We want to learn about the key objectives and goals of an effective post-market system and how it links to your quality management system. We want to learn about different sources of data and how to analyze that data using different methods and their pros and cons. And I want to share with you the Snip method I have used personally in my practice to help make good decisions about signals that you will be detecting. And you will be detecting many signals if your system is working well. And finally, I'm going to share with you industry best practices on how to operationalize a post-market surveillance system with proper governance. So I hope you will consider joining me in this workshop. 2 key points to remember. This is going to be a live session, so there'll be a lot of time for Q&A. And secondly, the class size is limited to no more than 15 because that's the best way we can engage with each other. I hope you will look it up and use this training opportunity to take your post-market system to the next level.